And this was totally new. Totally new. It is on German, and you have everything here, how to start to paint with oil pastels. And also you get this here on this side. It was longer like this, and it was here. But when I was a kid, this book was bigger. This back side was longer, and this was standing like this, and here was also plastic, and this is all at once. But I take this out because I need to put in my shelf, and it will go too much out. So we will today try these oil pastels, and I will a little bit show the book. So I did learn how to paint with oil pastels reading this book, and I did use everything of these colors, and now we have these ones, but I think mine was bigger. My colors was bigger than this one, I think, or maybe my hand was smaller. And I never know what you should do with this. This said workstation eraser, but it is, I don't know, like silicone something. Workstation eraser, what that mean? Is that mean that if I accidentally put colors here, I can erase? I don't think so. I don't know really. So I never use this. And now here is showing how to use your oil pastels on different papers and different techniques of painting, and how it's look, and how to draw, and how to blend. So this is, I couldn't believe when I saw this. So they still sell these books. I can't believe. So beautiful things here. Look at this. Perspective and color mixing and color theory and people and nature. So I was really in shock when I saw this. I couldn't believe that somebody can paint a human face with oil pastel when I get this book. But of course you can't. Why shouldn't you? So flowers, mini flowers, and then you get also the paper. So you have here some color paper, 5 sheets of color paper, I think 5 of the white paper, and I think we should try to paint with this, and we can swatch them fast. So white, nothing, of course. Then it is this yellow and pink, then it's orange, and they are very quality. I remembered when I tried, but I think mine was bigger. The other pink, this dark red and violet. This creamy color. And there's nothing say on the colors which name are they. It just says workstation. So brown, light and dark green. Light and dark blue. Gray and black. So very interesting that they still selling these books, and I can see here nowhere to be found. Maybe this book is very old, but here is the year 2002. I have also pencils and like watercolors, but with watercolors the book wasn't about watercolors, it was painting with ink. So he said it is from Oslo. And now we can paint. I need to find some sketchbook, some paper, and decide what I will paint. Maybe something, some wintry scene. I think we will use this. And we will use this violet, gray, maybe a little black, also probably white, because I want to show winter scene, and maybe pink, light and dark pink. Okay, and maybe a little blue, but this light blue. So here you go. Let's make first the sky. Sky will be like this. Light blue here, and then white also, and then the darker pink maybe here, and a lighter pink here, like this, and also much white in the middle, and then lighter round, and then maybe a little darker here, and then this blue also, and then we can't do it anymore because we will do it like this. First we will smudge everything like here. First is this blue part, then this. And I don't know for what is this paper. It says mixed, so it means mixed media probably, but I don't think we should have problem to paint with this on that paper. Maybe a little more of blending and everything. So now I want to blend more with this white. Like this, and then again, okay, we will blend also with sponge a bit. And now I want the tree. So the tree will be like this. Like this. So here's some bushes around, and also a little bit of like grass here and there. And maybe also here. And then I want to add more of this white, because remember, we're blending with white. So then I want to add white here, because this tree is like on ice. And now a little bit more to this black here, because here shadow is. And here is my wintry scene. Maybe should we add a little bit more of this purple here, and maybe also here, but with black, so we have more shadows. And I think this is my painting with my old school. I even don't know which oil pastels are these. But never mind, I'm very happy I get this. And I don't remember how they work then when I was bought it, but for now on this super smooth paper they work very well, and I'm surprised. More than 20 years. So I'm really in shock. So if you have money now and you think that you will not have later, it is time to buy oil pastels, because you can have them for a very long time. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and going back into memory lane of my childhood. See you in the next one. Bye.